It's kind of windy over here, but it's good because look, I got this whole bitch to myself. You got the water and stuff. I ain't gonna walk too close or really on this shit because bird poop, geese poop. I guess you can eat fish. I would never. Predator and bottom feeding fish have more chemicals. Catfish, damn. Panfish have less chemicals. Chemical food chain. DDT, PCBs, mercury, dioxins. Oh my god. Huh. The more you know. Oh. I guess I won't go all the way, but we might as well just check out the lighthouse while we're here. Ooh, somebody barbecuing. Ooh, I don't want my metal glasses to fall in there. I'll be pissed. It's really not that cold. On the other side is Canada, Windsor. Yep. Belle Isle, Ambassador Bridge down there.